Moving on to the HLOOKUP function. The HLOOKUP function is very similar to the VLOOKUP that we saw. The only difference is that VLOOKUP deals with the vertical lookup, and here we are dealing with horizontal lookup. Horizontal meaning this is what is known as the horizontal. This is what we saw in vertical, wherein we are using the columns in order to find the data. Here we are going to use the rows in order to find the data. For example, we have this data set over here, and in this data set, what we want to do is find out the quantity for the part number EEE. So this is the product EEE, and we want to find out the quantity. If I were to do it manually, I think it is very simple. I just need to locate EEE and I need to find out the quantity corresponding to it, which is 75. So I can just type in 75 and my job is done. But again, we don't want to do it manually. We want to automate things in order to save time and also remove any errors that can happen while we are doing the task. So what we're going to do now is use the HLOOKUP. What we need to do is equal to HLOOKUP. It looks for a value in the top row of a table or array of values and returns the value in the same column from a row you specify. Now what you need to take care over here, as in case of your VLOOKUP, we saw that the first column should have unique IDs. Similarly, the first row over here needs to have a unique ID. This is our row number 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so these are row numbers. It's better if you specify the row numbers because it will be very easy for you to then locate your data. For example, instead of quantity, if you want to find out the cost, the corresponding row, the row that it belongs to is row number 3, correct? And this is going to be our data set from here till here. So let's now use the formula and you'll be able to understand what I mean using HLOOKUP, which is horizontal lookup. If you look at the syntax, you will find that it is almost same to what we saw in VLOOKUP. First thing it asks for is the lookup value. The lookup value is going to be triple EEE, right? When we did VLOOKUP, it was just next to the column here. So here it is right above, so we'll select that. It will ask for the table array. So we will select the table array that we want. The next thing it requires is the row index number. Okay, this is the only difference. We're going to specify the row index number. Quantity belongs to the second row, so we put in 2. The next thing it requires is whether you want the range lookup to be an approximate match or an exact match. I want it to be an exact match. Obviously, we're not going to keep it as an approximate one, so we keep it 0. And we close the bracket and press enter. As soon as you do that, you will see that the quantity is right here in front of you. So this is how you can use the HLOOKUP when you want to deal with information that is given in the horizontal order and you want to find out data from that table. You want to extract a piece of information or you want to hunt a specific data set. That can be very easily done using HLOOKUP. So this was VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Let's see what we have in store in the next video.